Alright, so anyway, I decided to come by here and see if I missed the placing of the cupola, but no. But they did more work on the very top clock part. They have it set in front of the building. So, figure I might as well get a little video of that while I'm here. I'm glad I didn't miss it. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it. Oh, look. Historic courthouse and clock tower. Clock tower, that's what they're calling replacement. I didn't see this last time. I don't know what that is. Looks like they haven't done the very tippy top either. Isn't that cool? I love it. This thing with the bell. I don't know if you can see the bell at night. You see the bell? No. No. Not really. Anyway. Look at that. I love it.